Yay! Micaiah, do it again. Go ahead. I'm trying to do it with my lips. Give me more room to do this. I need to. What? She says you gotta pay me to do it on camera.
We need to get on camera. His face. That's what we need to get on camera. Good girl, baby.
Good girl.
He's making a fool of himself.
That's normal. You ready? I'm so happy I stick my fist in my mouth. Micaiah. I'm done. You're lame.
You got a little bit there.
You got now. You're gonna get out of me. Now I'm gonna eat my bib. Uh-huh.
That's a good one. Yep.
Where did you store that up?
Coming. It's coming. No, don't eat it. You can't eat it.
That just came from my mouth. I can put it in my mouth if I feel like it. I
Bobbing your neck around.
Oh, you're getting really good at that.
She is entertaining you guys. Is this game really just not happening or is it a replay?
No, it's just not happening.
What's that?
St. Louis.
Micaiah.
What is
Oh, it's late.
All right. I think if you can do one more, I'm gonna shut the video off. You got 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Hey. I'm done. Thrash.
I'll not be the fodder for your games any longer. Once more, I guess.
His face is so ridiculous. He's like, I don't blame her. Is that what you did, baby? What's my reaction supposed to be to this?
Well, right.